the work of this function here, this machine, which is by name a logarithm, so in the short form that is a log, is that it helps you to determine the number of times you have to do certain things to get a result, right? So here's the simple trick here. Let's say you have a material, a cloth, or maybe something like a paper. So let's restrict ourselves to a paper here. So we are going to fold a paper. We want to know or determine the number of times you can fold a paper to have 64 layers, right? So 64 layers at a time. So folding a paper to give you a 64 layers is something like, maybe let's say, a tedious, right? So by an assumption, we assume that if you fold a paper, if you fold it once, you are going to have a 2 layers, which we all know already. So the key here, the work of this function is that how many times are you going to fold this paper to have the 64 layers? For sure, that should be 6, right? So 2 raised to the power 6, that is equal to 64.